Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm stopping by with, of course, another hair video. I'm just stopping by to tell you about this Marley twist hairstyle that I have, but this time around I did the twist a little bit larger and I made the parting spaces larger as well, so that I completed this style in only 3 hours. So this is a super simple and cute protective hairstyle that you can do for the summer that's also not going to take too long, and it will look like you put a lot of effort into doing it. So if you go to my Marley twist tutorial video, you'll see exactly how I do this style. I basically did it the same way. I just used more hair for the twist, and then I made the parting space a lot bigger than before so that it didn't take me too long to actually achieve this style. So the hair that I use for this particular hairstyle is the pre-stretch Jamaican twist. I got 36 inches, and this particular package came with 3 different packs, and I got a total of 3 of these packs. So as you can see here, I have 1 pack left. So in total I use 8 individual pieces like this, and I'm just gonna look at my receipt. They were $12.99 per pack, and I got the color 1B. This is usually the hair that I get for my Marley twist. You can pick this hair up at your local beauty supply store. But yeah, this is just a really simple hairstyle that's really cute. This is like one of my go-to hairstyles for the summer because it's easy to do and it's still cute, and you can be versatile with this particular hairstyle. Because I've already done a tutorial on this hair, I'm not going to do that again, but I do just want to give you guys a few styles that you can wear with this particular hairstyle, just so that you can kind of switch it up. A couple of different cute styles that I may wear just on a regular basis or when I'm going out somewhere. So stay tuned if you are interested in seeing the styles that I wear with this particular hair.